You dump your life savings into meme stocks, hemorrhaging money and declaring bankruptcy. You buy stocks while in the midst of crashing. You buy stocks after they rally too much and become overvalued. You listen to TikTok day traders. You buy the aforementioned TikToker's $300 trading course. You buy stock too early. You buy stock too late. You fall for a WhatsApp crypto scam. You listen to analysis posted on Wall Street Bets. You listen to all the videos saying that horrific stock market crash is somehow right around the corner. You're a bull when the market crashes. You're a bear when the market rallies. You get jealous of all those gains posted on Wall Street Bets and try to replicate those results to no avail. You didn't decide to cut your losses early in a bad trade. In the rare occurrence that you somehow get a gain, you become too greedy and held until it turns into a loss. In the rare occurrence that you somehow get another gain, you don't become greedy enough and sell too early before it proceeds to go up more. You fall for a pump and dump scheme. You buy options that are deep out of the money. You buy options that expire very soon. You buy pretty much any option. You buy too much of a stock. You buy too little of a stock. You get your financial education from Wall Street Bets degenerates. You quite literally have no idea what you're doing and effectively turn the stock market into a casino. And finally, because you're not subscribed to Omni Capital. For 7 more reasons that have to do with your thinking process in the stock market, click this video here. Thanks for watching.